Cover our newest boat ride concept. Let's go for an adventure-packed water ride as we head down rushing whitewater rivers that wind through glacier-carved canyons. The lower and upper chassis are connected, which compromises an independent movement of the upper floating body, just like a real boat. With our submerged drive motor, you have the permanent control of speed and position of the vessel. The rocking boat has an extremely tight track radius, so you can do unexpected turns with near-miss effects of theming elements. With this new ride system, there are no visible channel walls, giving your guests the feeling to really flow with the stream. Sudden dips and drops are also possible as a track-guided element or just down a little waterfall. We can also offer interactive possibilities to allow guests in defined areas to control the boat's speed and travel direction. As this boat is seaworthy and non-capsizing due to the connection to the guide vehicle on track, you can create stunning rafting effects with off-board wave machines. Are you ready for the rocking boat? This water ride will thrill the whole family. Media integration in a water ride never was so easy as with this boat ride. The boat is capable of going forwards and backwards, and it can stop at any point of the track, making it extraordinarily useful during themed and timed ride events. With no channels visible for your guests, they will never know where the boat is heading next. Bring the feeling of an adventurous outdoor sports like wild river rafting to the whole family without the real danger. With this new ride system by Mack, the rocking boat.